Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, showing the different types of over-the-range microwaves that are on the market today. First microwave we're showing here is a low-profile. This is a Whirlpool-built low-profile microwave. Most manufacturers have this lower height microwave now, and it's designed if you're pulling out a small hood and you don't have a lot of space in between your cooking surface. Also, if you have decorative tile with a small hood, this is really a great replacement option. Some other microwaves that we're going to have are going to be microwaves with handles on. So you're going to have different design handles to match the kitchen suite that you may have. And the last type will be a full-size handleless microwave, which just is going to open without pulling on a handle. You're just going to pull from the side. If you have any questions about the various types of over-the-range microwaves, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, go to donsappliances.com.